I wasn't planning to compare Tunee AI with Suno, I just wanted to see if Tunee could make one song I'd actually listen to twice. That turned into an hour of testing, because the first track wasn't bad. The second one was better, and by the fourth, I started wondering if I'd underestimated it. So I gave both tools the exact same prompt, same genre, same mood, same lyrics. I wanted the comparison to be as fair as possible because marketing pages always make everything sound incredible. The setup was easy, type a prompt, pick a style, hit generate. A few minutes later, I had two songs that were surprisingly different. That caught me off guard. That weren't just copies with different voices. They had completely different energy. The first thing I noticed was that Tunee AI seemed to get to the chorus faster. For short-form content, that's actually a bigger deal than people realize. If you're making music for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, those first few seconds matter. Then I listened with headphones instead of laptop speakers. That changed my opinion a little. Some tracks sounded polished. Others felt a bit repetitive, especially in the verses. It wasn't terrible. It just reminded me that AI still has a habit of playing it safe. Here's something I didn't expect. I spent less time generating songs and more time rewriting prompts. Every small change completely changed the vibe. After a while, it felt less like pressing a button and more like directing a producer who needed really clear instructions. Now, can it beat Suno AI? Honestly, not in every category. Suno still felt stronger when I wanted fuller arrangements and more consistent vocals, but Tunee AI held its own, especially when I wanted ideas quickly or needed multiple versions to choose from. Pricing is worth thinking about too. If you're making AI music every week for content, client work, or marketing, a paid plan could save you a lot of time. If you're only generating songs for fun once in a while, I'd start with the free option before spending anything. So, would I keep using Tunee AI? Yeah, as part of my workflow, not because it replaces Suno, because sometimes the fastest way to find a great track is to let two different AI tools surprise you. If you're choosing between Tunee AI and Suno AI, don't judge them from one song. Run the same prompt through both a few times. That's when the real differences start showing. If this review helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews, and thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.